Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and
my name is Chris.
And welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. How are you? Hope you are good. We are fine. So guys, in today Asamoah mukbang video is egusi soup with pounded yam. Wow. But with blender sha. Pounded yam with blender, okay? Just pounded yam.
And not white yam, the yellow the yellow yam. Yes. You have two yam, white and yellow. This is the yellow yam.
Yes. So guys, come guys, let's enjoy this delicious, yummylicious food together, okay? So before you pray today, you pray.
Pray, no problem.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, amen. May God bless this food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And provide for those that don't have in Jesus' name. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. So guys, let's enjoy. Oh, this one, I see they hot too. I see they hot. Now they eat them. So, hey. Hey, this water don't pour me.
Sorry.
You know the wait for person. So guys, come. Let's enjoy this pandu yam. So this egusi soup, I make it with bitter leaf, cow leg, beef, and stockfish. Okay. Right, guys. I never start the food on the drop. But cook the food again.
Concentrate.
And shaki too. Every orishi. Bon appetit.
What do I do?
You now.
How?
You know, greet your people when they ask of you. People have been asking of you.
Because
Work.
now I'm very, very, very busy. So,
Yes, guys.
guys, you have to bear with me for now. Because this is now we are now in summer. So it's not like the cold time.
Work now is too tight.
The work is too tight. So I'm sorry guys.
This one. Better Nigerian egusi soup.
I'm not going to see this stuff, it's not the fancies.
You don't say?
No.
It's just I put them. You put it down. I just put them.
No, I'm not here to talk about.
You know they got the other.
Listen. Wow.
No, I don't see. Guys, you guys are missing out.
Oh, excuse me.
Can also eat this egusi soup with fufu or amala or
Quite right.
But no, I don't like to fried rice.
Thank you.
Yummy. Guys, please, for those that always support us, thank you for always supporting this ministry. Also share, okay? Shout out to all my amazing supporters, for both in Facebook and on YouTube. We really appreciate.
Chris is busy eating, like usual. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you for being there for us.
Yes, sir. African food is the best, especially Nigerian food. If you have not tried Nigerian food before, you're missing big time.
Yes. This one, the other body, you need 2 hands.
I tell you.
Who cook am?
Namina. See your mouth.
Who cook am?
Nami, now you cook am before. See you won't take the glory.
You will never see chance to finish one. Never see chance to touch it. But before they are not the same.
Now because of work.
And now, more busy.
Long finish am. Sorry.
You know what this thing? Now, no. Now this is the nice sound to eat where take it.
Hey!
You did there. You did it Bible.
So that I would like nice and to eat. When you come kill Goliath.
I'm not sure it's my guy. Like you stand up for ground. Bye, say you.
I will do it too. It's not like that, so as you eat and finish.
Right now I'm going to.
Whoa.
But I don't know.
In fact, I always give this man phenomenal food.
Water.
You know what you're doing now? I'm going to tell you a spiritual husband.
How?
People go just purposely.
They open leg. They come out for palace, they go for room. They come out for room, they go for palace.
No. Then they do like people who then they meet. A virtuous wife. 100 years. I already they want. See your hair. If you think. You go like many people they like that. They match them.
No, okay. For that one. I'm not going to that one.
Yeah, this meat the fair no. Now
I'm not going to probably give me it. They say, now me to have.
I dey like cut meat small, but you they like big meat.
Now me to have something take it grow ya. Don't eat finish it. This is not joke.
Right. I'm done.
Okay.
Show your mouth. Charlie. And then
You say, Charlie, abracadabra.
Abua.
No, you say abracadabra, Charlie.
Hey. This soup, and this kind of one that they use welcome in-laws. Thank you guys for watching. Please like our video, comment, share to your friends, okay guys? And also follow us on our Facebook page, Sharon and Chris. You know how they be, as they hot, they burn. So guys, also follow us on TikTok, Sharon and Chris TV, YouTube, Sharon and Chris TV. Please turn on the bell notification so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be the first to notify. Okay, see you in our next video. Bye bye. Stay safe and be good.